I've got a problem. It's clear I need to up my filmmaking game. I've got a decent tripod, my lights are passable, the mic gets the job done, but what I really need is a camera slider. This design is based on Rhino Camera Gear's DIY video, the $75 camera slider. You can watch that right up there. You're gonna need all kinds of bits and bobs. You know, you're gonna need some pipe. I got some rigid 3/4 inch electrical conduit, some angle iron, but you could use wood for that. You're gonna need various brackets and bolts and nuts and washers, etc. This is a bracket for a 4x4. You'll find that in like the fencing aisle of your big box store. You'll probably want some paint and some primer and some clear coat just to protect everything, make it look nice and cool. And then in this package are 8 skateboard wheels and 16 bearings, and that's gonna make it so this bracket can slide along the tracks really nice and smoothly. And I'll have a parts list down in the description of everything here. It cost me right around 80 bucks, so a little bit more expensive, but this thing's gonna be rock solid, and I'm gonna show you some test footage at the end of the video, so stick around for that I shot using this dolly. All right, I'm gonna speed things up so you can watch and follow along for the whole build. All right. Here I'm just inserting the bearings into the skateboard wheels and bending the bracket. I also needed to file down the cut edges of the pipe so I don't slice my hand open. This frame saw is great. I actually built it based on Paul Sellers' YouTube tutorial. Check it out. This saw is awesome. It cuts anything. These brackets will be for both sections of pipe so I can space them out for the track itself. Now I'm getting a rough idea of how long the brackets need to be. I also discovered that the spacers that were included with the skateboard wheels and bearings are necessary to give a sufficient gap against these brackets so the wheels can spin. Again, filing down the cut edges so I don't slice my hand open, which is a bummer, and no one should ever do that. I'm going to put together the carriage with the wheels. One change I'm going to make is going to use, instead of regular nuts for these bolts, but actually get the nylon locking nuts. That way they won't come loose when I'm using the dolly. All right, I got everything assembled. So it works. It's pretty smooth, but I can feel some imperfections in here, like, you know, residue from adhesive and so forth. So the next thing to do is to give everything a good clean and then hit it with the primer. And then once that dries, the spray paint, the clear coat, put it all back together and mount the tripod head here. So looking pretty good so far. Everything's fitting together nicely, so I'm really excited about this. All right, let's clean it up and hit it with some primer. There it is in all its glory. I wanted one of these things for so long. Oh, this thing's great. Okay, I'm gonna play some test footage in just a second that I took with the slider so you can judge for yourself. But before I do, I really hope this video earned your subscription. If so, hit the subscribe button. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. Doing either, but especially doing both, really helps me grow this channel. And of course, if you want to be notified as soon as the next video drops, which should be next week, hit the bell icon. But I really want to know what you guys think, so let me know in the comments. What can I improve? What do you think? Will you build one like this? I mean, do you even like build videos like this? Let me know. Okay, here's some footage that I took with this here slider. I am so excited to use this in my future videos. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you think I should make. Hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up button, and the bell if you want to be notified every time a new video drops. My plan is to upload every Thursday. As always, I'm Alex Mendiola. Thanks so much for watching, and catch me in the next one.